Oh, hello everyone! How are you today? Good to see you. Good to hear from you. Good to have you back. That was funny. That was funny. All right. So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I don't know where you are in the world, but hope that you are doing better than me. I have been on a ride on Twitch today, promoting, the king, the Viking of all Vikings. Do I know Jon Olav Nilsen? It's very Norwegian name, but I don't know. Who is he? What is he known for? Jon Olav Nilsen. What has he done? He's a singer. I haven't seen him before. No, I haven't. So I've been up there promoting, Eivindfx and the happy message of being kind to one another. What happened, do you think? What happened, do you think? I went to Twitch and now my account is blocked. Boom. Yeah. Again. Boom. That's how you do it. Anyways, people. I don't know if it's blocked, but the payment didn't go through 3 times, so I'm like, okay, cool, whatever. So I have to have a talk with PayPal, I think. Yeah. Okay, cool. So what are we going through today? We're going through stock market, Nasdaq, and all those nasty dackies. I went through this one yesterday in the daily setups. And guess what we got? We got an entry. So we got profits. I'm just trying to hype it up because, I don't do that anymore. I should hype it more now. So we are at break even. We are the champions. So one trade, we are the champions. That's the logic. That's the logic today, okay? So we have 27 people today. We have 10 likes. Let's get the party started. Whoop, whoop. Okay, too much energy. Let us cool down a bit. And today in the VIP webinar, I talked about beep. So I hope that you are okay with that. That was actually quite fun to talk about, actually, and people really enjoy that. So that's what I've been doing, and then I've been on different Zoom calls with people who is struggling with not psychological problem, but psychology, market psychology, and it's been a very fruitful Friday. Kazaza! So yesterday we were in a Zoom meeting that everyone had access to, and nobody was left out. Even A1 trading people was allowed to be in there for free. And what we talked about yesterday was, what about a meetup in Kenya? Should we have a meetup in Kenya? And I'm like, maybe. And then Kasasa, who is living very far away, he asked, I thought it was like in 3 months. I'm like, dude, when you're trigger happy like me, it's gonna be boom. It's gonna be happy here right now, next week, next day, tomorrow. And I showed him a bus that costs 3,500 shillings or $35, I think it is, give or take. And cash to dollar, I think it's 35 for 30 actually, for one way. I'm like, cool, we'll do that. And then apparently now it's 2 weeks away. So if you're a Kenyan, if you're Nairobi, if you are near, sign up in my Discord. I don't know, not where to, there's nowhere to sign up. Just say I'm interested somewhere in my Discord so I can find it who you are. Anyways. Okay, so I don't know what we're going to do. Is it going to be cakes? Is it going to be fun? Is it going to be trading? Is it going to be educational? Is it just going to be going through your trades? I don't know. I will figure it out depending on how many people says yeah. yes. If there's only one guy, me and him, we're gonna have fun, or her. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna sit together, and we're gonna go through their trades, and we're gonna, proper mentorship there for free. Kasasa is number 11. So somebody said to me yesterday, I was not able to comment because I need to be a subscriber. Now you are allowed. Anyone is allowed to talk. Hey. So those are very long intro today. Aussie dollar came up to critical point and fell. Cool. Can we fall? I don't know. Maybe not. Euro came up to the entry. Boom. Today's a happy day. Jesus gave me powers. More than anything else. Yeah, cool. Party, It's a profit day in my account. So it's good. So that's Aussie to the downside. So, as long as it's still below here, it can still go higher though, people. Don't take my word for it, but it's better. It's better. Did I take the Euro, Sal? Oh yeah. I did. I probably should have told you. I'm sorry. But it was a limit from yesterday. If I tell you all my limits, you're gonna be confused. So I actually need to tell that one. I'm sorry. I never meant. No, I'm sorry. It never seems to be the hardest word. No. So sad. That's a situation. Okay, I can't remember. Yep. So, just going through PayPal. I need to call it PayPal. Why is PayPal? People is blocking me out. So, pound dollar has not come up to resistance yet. So I haven't sold it yet, but yet. Maybe I've been. Was it something especially in my cough today? I feel a bit high. Was it Hennessy? Was it vodka? Was it Jack? Was it just chocolate? Or was it some premium dates from Middle East? Hello, Harold. Was it Putin that said that there's more positive? There's some positivity coming out of the talks, I think it was. Tess says a question here that seems like he has not been reading my. You have not been reading my comment here, but you have not been reading my my post, so I can read it for everyone to see yet again. That's okay. I can do that again. That's okay. So here it says tomorrow, 12th of March. Today's 11th, by the way. I'll go through your trading statements in a Zoom meeting. Also tomorrow, 12th of, it's going to be a closed meeting for everyone who wants to join, but you are not allowed to talk about what happens inside the meeting, outside the meeting. Closed four walls. I'm not going to see anyone being mocked for having bad trades, and I'm going to go through them respectfully because they've respectfully given it to me. I will respectfully go through them as well. So we're going to go through learning points, pinpoints, and going through, was that a good trade? Was it a bad trade? What should we do differently next time? Generally speaking. You can send your trading statements by clicking on my name, and then you send it here. There's a button for you here. I don't have that button. And you send it to me. Either as a PDF, HTML, or whatever you get out of your account as a trading statement out of your MT4, or as Tess also did, as screenshot. But you need to send me more trades, bro, of your trades, because that is not everything for the past period that you showed. And the other thing is, I want them to be sent now so I can start preparing for tomorrow. So I prefer this MT4 trading statement or account history or If not, a screenshot of account from phone. I don't accept CSV because that will take so much time for me to go through. Okay. Excel is accepted if I don't need to do any formatting or whatsoever. If everything is like a normal trading statement. Okie dokie. So, it is tomorrow. It is the same time for all of it. 3 p.m. Oslo, 5 p.m. Nairobi, 6 p.m. Pacific, 9 a.m. New York, 4 p.m. South Africa, and 10 p.m. Malaysia. With duration 1 hour. Link will be given here around half an hour, give or take, before. If it hasn't been given out 3 minutes before the meeting, don't worry, I will still send it. I'm just not ready yet, okay? And then we have Xavi says, gives this man a round of applause. Thank you very much. And then I can give myself a together with Marco there, okay? That is what Tess is talking about. And it's talking about those who have struggling to find profitability, those who have pretty poor entries. But Tess, I'm going to go through yours as well, don't worry. But I will not tell who I'm going through whenever I'm going through them. It will be totally anonymous as far as I can. And I do delete. I don't have any trading statements on my account the day after. So if you want to come back and say, hi, Evan, do you remember the trading history I sent you? I won't have it. I won't have it. So it's tomorrow. Please applaud Eivindfx. He really puts in a lot. Thank you very much, Kasasa. What did I forget? 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 Come on. Pimp my account. Yeah, that's what it is about. We are gonna pimp your account. And if you don't have any account, if you don't have any left in the account, I will top it up with $10. If my PayPal goes back to normal again. I don't. And are we good on that one? Are we good on that? Can you please look at Aussie yen? Okay, we can do that. That's actually the only trading pair that has been sent to him. Okay, cool. So why we? Okay, cool. So the song. Oh yeah. No, it's Elton John with it's Elton John. So yeah, so sad. So sad. It's a sad situation. Bring more. Is it so sad? Is it so sad? It's sorry seems to be the hardest word. Yeah, that's what I was trying to sing. Okay, so sorry people, let's bring in the action of the trading pairs you want me to cover, and then we can start. Okay, I'm ready. I just need a sip of a drink. Okay, S&P gone higher. 45, 42, 40, 48 was my entry yesterday. It's been duly told on all different platforms. As you can see, at 11 p.m. yesterday, I said 1448, stop loss 42, TP indefinitely. Or infinite take profit, whatever that means. I guess this is in English. It's English. I don't have English, so that's okay. We are then going to dollar, which has come down to buy zone. You know, good stuff. Good stuff. This is also the sell zone. Good stuff. So we are in a war at the moment. Hi, Gia. 42.87 was my re-entry. It's a bit high, but okay, good. You know, it goes. I guess it goes. Then Australian dollar has critically turned lower from 73.60 as expected, or as hoped for. Sorry. So now it's allowance to start selling. Euro, come up to the Zell zone. Boom, 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 boom. That's the new sound today. Abacadabra, simsalabim. And that's the theory, at least. We shall see if it goes. So, yeah. Then pound has also the same direction, either selling from this level or this level. We haven't gone up to that level yet, so it's still a downtrend. Still good to the downside. Euro New Zealand has made a low, had a pullback up to resistance, and probably will want to say, well, we want to go lower, and I will be like, well, yeah, you can, you know, have fun with that. When it comes to oil now, that's not something we can buy. Oil is now trending to go lower. There was peace talks or some news coming out saying that there is like positive developments in the talks between Russia and Ukraine, or something like that reference. So, you know, just have that in mind. Risk jumps as Putin sees positive shift in Ukraine talk. That's what was the headline today. Biden is expected to call an end of normal trade relation with Russia. That is also pretty interesting, to be honest, actually. I don't know if that's going to lead to dollar bullishness, though, but that is kind of the first theory that I have in my head, at least. 10 minutes to unemployment rate in America. No, in Canada, sorry. So, US oil is at the moment, you know, sellable. I'm not telling you to sell it, but that's the direction at the moment. Come on. Come on, that gas. That's my boy. Another one from yesterday in the daily setups. Harold, please confirm. Mayday. SOS. Mayday. Really, SOS. Harold, get out of the shower. Do you copy? Late today. Yeah, no worries, my friend. Confirmed profits. Boom. That's the power of being in the daily setups. So daily setups has given us, 2 or 3 profitable trades at the moment. Yeah, not too bad. Last night, Eivindfx caught some Aussie yen trade when we called it during the last night's Zoom call. All right. That's how we do it. Boom. Have a nice training, everyone. And also, of course, yeah, I'm good. Today I feel good because I've given away money. So, well, the problem is with some streamers, they have like a scare thing when they alert, and this absolutely scares the living life out of them. So it's funny. But I'm thinking it will be a YouTube's video in the end. But so far I'm just enjoying making other people happy. So a couple of people have asked for Australian dollar yen. And see. 2 seconds. 2 seconds, people. I'm just gonna give you some music. There's an issue. One, 2, 3. So, Aussie yen is bullish. Not that I wanted to buy it, but if you want to, there you go. Is there something wrong here? Okay, there it is. Okay. Continuation higher is kind of what you're expecting here. And then, hello, money. Nath asks, hi, Evan, how much... Hello, mate. How are ya? Any thoughts on USD CAD? We can look at that later. Franco says, is this a private broadcast? No, this is for everyone to see forever. I just made a dance for you, Franco. So we make you happy. So Aussie yen is definitely breakout, retest, kind of type of situation. And also think about coming down to 85 again on Monday, kind of thing. So it's both ways, at least, both ways. Other than that, fair enough. What's the target? I don't know what the target is actually, to be honest. Seems to be just going. But we are close to 86. Or 86.50 is probably a good target. But, you know, as long as it still goes higher, I guess it still goes higher. So, gold. For those who wants to do gold. We can do gold. Crypto, man, there's no booty here. Gold is showing what somebody calls head and shoulders. Okay. Head and shoulders works 50% of the time. But if you get a break now, or if you sold that one, which is the aggressive sell, then we are definitely looking for downside here. Or definitely, market is definitely looking to go lower. Okay. Crypto man, if I ever come to Amsterdam, yeah, no, Brussels, Amsterdam, Brussels. I'll be okay. Mr. Exotics, welcome very much. So right now, the push, the sentiment, the reasons for everything to go. But I've not traded gold, so you can't shoot me for doing it, for talking about gold. But since you guys asked, there's nothing to buy here. So we'll come back tomorrow. We'll come back another day that maybe it will be bullish again. But right now, it's not. Yeah, USD CAD was asked for, and I have two things to mention here. I do not understand anything of what is going on here. It can go up, it can go down, it can go sideways, and it doesn't really matter. So right now, the pressure is to the downside because the Canadian dollar is pushing higher. Who bought CAD yen yesterday? Somebody bought CAD yen yesterday. And that's the better trade than that USD CAD. So somebody bought USD CAD yen yesterday. I don't know who it was, but good on you, bro. Good on you. Was it Miro? I'm not too sure. Was it Miro? I know Miro is here somewhere. Just gonna find him. And yeah. So just having a special thank you for Sarah, CJ, Tito, Harold, Denise, for being YouTube members. I really appreciate you guys. You make the stream very much alive, and that I can still keep doing this. But also that you get something back from it. So I'm just gonna say appreciate it. So there's 1 minute left to the unemployment, or a couple of seconds, I guess. So we're just gonna see that through. We have an unemployment rate at 6.2 expected, participation rate 65% expected, and net change 160. Average hourly earnings, there is no expectations there so far, at least. So okay. We have, wow, damn, wow, crazy numbers. Holy guacamole. Those are some, wow. Why. Look at those numbers, people. Look at those numbers. 5.5. Absolutely crushed it. Wow. There is nothing to say more than that. So what are you expecting to happen now? You're expecting it, well, I don't know if it ever will go down now, but 91 is kind of the entry for Monday. If US dollar CAD looks bullish a few hours ago and it didn't fall for a roller coaster. Yeah, also the thing is, I can do USD CAD for a moment on you here, is that USD CAD buy was here to here. That's the target. Now it fell, and now it will continue to fall. So if you're wondering, like, how would you, when you're looking at it, like, what is this plan so far that's materialized himself, and you kind of have to learn, is that whenever, for example, here though, we don't see it here, but you see it afterwards. When this plan here went to take profit, if it falls again, you're supposed to come back to central. So right now you're supposed to come back to central. But and then continue higher. But of course this is strong. But that's at least a trade plan so far, and I don't have a trade plan more. I would rather say CAD yen should probably go higher right now. New Zealand CAD is falling absolutely beautifully. That is mostly because of the strength in the CAD. Maybe it will turn lower now, but this is also strong by the way. But Euro CAD, how will that go? That would probably be that's a nice one. That's a nice one. Volume selling also. Yeah. So Slitty Ashraf, hello. Hope you're having a good day. So that is, I would say that's shocking. I will call that shocking. That is absolutely shocking. And it's really strong job report. Really strong job report. I don't think that was ever priced into the market. So, yes, mate. How's it going? You're doing all right. Good. I think that's going to be it. I don't have EuroCAD in my account even. Okay. But yeah. Yeah. Holy schnicker, to be honest. That is super duper strong. And also 36,000 jobs was created. And only 200,000 jobs was lost during to COVID. So we are super duper strong right now on CAD. Super duper strong on CAD right now. Other than that, well, that's only going to lead to CAD strength. That's only going to lead to CAD strength. The question becomes then: are the RBA, no, Bank of Canada, are they going to now start increasing? Whoops. Are they now going to increase their interest rate more than expected? It's a theory. It's yeah. Fake doctored numbers. Well, I don't know. I can't say they are fake. I can't say they are true. How they are calculated, I just have to take the report for whatever it's worth. Mostly because I can't do my own research on it. I can't go and ask Canadians, did you lose your job? Did you gain your job? Kind of scenario. That is, but yeah, definitely an unexpected number coming out there. What you would kind of expected right now on CAD yen and all those is actually having a small pullback now. So the initial reaction was break higher and then continuation, but also coming back for a 618 is kind of what you're hoping for. Either that is that one, and then coordination, style, reversal there. So that will be around 91.70. That's on the 5 minutes. So just waiting for that to come in and then put in a limit there maybe. But yeah. Interesting. Yeah, that's the 5 minutes candle. So the initial candle there, and then down to there, I guess body to body. I guess it is. Or is it body to wick? Yeah, same level. But yeah, thank you very much for joining in, Nick. I sold USD CAD and cancelled for news. Okay, interesting. Can we take a look at Bitcoin? We can look at Bitcoin. I'm just going to track these USD CAD. Look at that. Wow. USD CAD, I'm just going to track that, how much that was. That was an initial reaction of 30 pips. And then that's going to be our pullback zone. And then we shall see if that ever comes back to fruits anything. But this is basically news trading. Bitcoin. So, what's the motto? It's a range. It's stuck at 40,000, between 38,000, 37,000 toward 2,000. No trend. Not really. By the way, Nick, I'm going to congratulate you on the USD yen. I was wrong. You're right. So, hope you're doing well on that trade. I was only caring for you, and I feel bad that I said it, but hope you could forgive me. But why am I looking at my phone as if I don't have internet on it? I'm too far away from the Wi-Fi. So yeah, I think that's a good one there. So Bitcoin is okay. Let's say we want it to go higher, give or take. We are seeing that as resistance. And then if you want support, it should hold support, and it didn't hold support. So are you strong buyer on Bitcoin right now? No, you are not a strong Bitcoin holder right now. You're like thinking, what is going on right now? I did a view on Gold Strike and I said there's nothing to buy and it's only going to sell off, as you can see here. That is what I said earlier. All right. That was before this candle, by the way. Cat Swissy, another one that is also going higher today. Didn't catch that as well. Cad Yen as well, going up there in the highs. And USD CAD dropping hard. How is Dixie doing? DXY is also showing some weakness here. So why would dollar show weakness now, people? What would that? Well, Canada and America is quite close, but I would argue that the reason for dollar falling, euro rising at the moment, is the fact that it's Friday. We need a deeper pullback. That's all. Ready? Ready? I didn't tell you to close your CAD yen trade, but I guess you live until you die. I guess you live until you die. So, I guess that's a patience problem. Have we reached target on CAD yen? No, not really. So you should still be in a good trade there. So, but yeah. The next one is 91 on Monday, if you get on a Monday. So, you know, that's kind of that. What a fantastic day, mates. What a fantastic day. Profits all, not profits all around, but yeah, I'm loving it. I'm loving it today. S&P coming a bit back for another entry, I would guess. So, sure. Below 91. Yeah, fair enough. So, continuation forward. Pound CAD was asked for. Oh, it was a pound Aussie, pound CAD, something. Could you both, just to make sure I forget both? It is pound. New Zealand CAD, I forgot to do, James, sorry. I can't find it right now. Can somebody tell me which pound it was? Can somebody go scroll through? Pound CAD, it was pound CAD, okay. Yeah, that's definitely falling. Sorry, mate, it was a bit late there. But the real sell was here, not today. It was 8th, so 3 days ago. That's where the real sell was. Sorry, mate. And then we can look at, Gunnar, which direction do you want it to go in? Do you have any trades on it? That's not. Was it New Zealand CAD you wanted me to do? Yeah, okay, it was New Zealand CAD you wanted me to do. So it's definitely having a fun time now, isn't it? Maybe CAD will be much stronger now. This is a broken low, so if you have buys here, you have to get out if you're a buyer. And if you're a seller, you're thinking, well, lower. I don't know if there's going to be a pullback though, but at least I think it's going to go lower right now if you're a seller. Buyers should be exiting here. Just waiting for a better opportunity. Euro New Zealand is still struggling to fall, by the way. But also New Zealand is also struggling to cross above 68.70. So pound CAD. That is the real sell here. Not that I told you, not that I know before it happened, but that's kind of what you're hoping for in this sell zone. You got your sell zone, there you well. You didn't get your sell zone last week. You got your sell zone the week before that. And then the next week you're thinking, well, that should probably happen as well during the next week. I don't know if you all will get it, but that's kind of what you are hoping for every single time. Gunnar, you haven't told me what direction you want me to do it in. Because I don't have a direction myself on USSR. So you have to tell me as the expert of us, both of us too. In the meantime, while Gunnar is asking about that, I can go to US Aussie to 100, I think it is. That's the Australian index. How's it going, mate? How's it going? Range. Wondering why it hasn't gone higher. But I don't know if it looks like it doesn't look like a good buy though. But there's your buy zone at least. And then if it goes above, then you have a buy zone again. Yeah, something like that. So definitely looking for the upside here, but nothing else is good enough. So, what is it telling me? It's been telling me it's been a range for quite some time. It has finally broken lower. It has come up to some resistance. And it's been selling off the right prices. It is now at target. And you're thinking, well, if it goes a bit lower today, come back up to 15, 14 next week. That sounds like a good deal. That's kind of the only thing today. Wait, Eivind, for breakout on the GU. Downside and then short GJ. Is that a good idea? So we can go through pound. Pound has made a new lower low. The question is, does 31.50 make you think, well, that should go lower? What else is important for dollar? Can somebody, that's a question for everyone. What is important for dollar next week? Yeah, so 15, 14 next week. What is important for dollar next week, people? Can somebody tell me? Harold, you're disqualified because we've been talking about it for quite some time now. But has anyone else listened to whatever I've said to you guys about anything that will come next week? FOMC James. Clap for James. Congratulations. What is that going to make the market do, eh? What's that going to make the market do? Are we going to be dollar bullish or dollar bearish next week? There's an FOMC. Holy guacamole. How are we going to do that? All right. Should fall. Okay. Just giving you a heads up. That's just going to give you a heads up. That's all. Yeah, okay, TP. I can give you TP. That's okay. That's okay. Sorry for being so short on you. Sorry. Just give me. Well, first of TP is 14.96 this week, and you're thinking, well, that should probably be a good idea to take some profit off because it's a support. But the actual take profit for the month is 14.80. So I think that's good enough. That's good enough. So full stop at 14.80. While making money on Canadian is nice today. Oops. Just waiting for you to respond, people, that's all. Maybe I should do something in between, but, you know. That hurts my brain. Bullish. Okay. I entered CAD yen long at 90.41. TP 91.27. Initially aiming for the high on early March around 91.96. Still in profit and definitely need more patience. Ready, Caesar. Ready, Caesar, as we show Norwegian. I would say, yeah, 91. Is it 91? Well, monthly is 92.50 though, you know. But 92 is probably a place to take profit at. But, you know, close. The golden day, Wednesday, 16th, March 16th, 2022. So, somebody asked for pound yen. So, me and Amar talked about this one earlier today. That's why we have all these lines. Where do we think pound yen is going to go? Is there any trades here? Is there any money here? Is there any money? Money! Here? That we can do? While people are thinking about that, I can do Euro CAD on the side for this other, for George FX. Just multitasking, that's always nice. Also, it's a difficult setup, bro. As long as we are falling, you know, that's a sell. Now it has made a low, so that is definitely a sell, but it can still, you know, continue higher. So if you are a seller, you're thinking, well, that's a good sell there. If you're a buyer, well, that's a good buy, isn't it? So you're stuck in between two. If it just gone higher, then of course it's turning bullish, but right now it's just you know, still up for sells, basically. So right now, my thoughts is strange setup. That's what it is. And not 100%. So pound yen. Go back to pound yen. Is it bullish or is it bearish? It is. Someone says bullish. Someone says bearish. Someone says bullish. Going down. Okay. That is definitely allowed to think. Are you allowed to think that that was the buy price for buyers? Yes, it is. So, in terms of knowing when to buy, when to sell. You know? I don't know the future, neither do you, but that is definitely a buy setup, but it's also a sell setup. So, keep your mouth in the right position, don't gap over too much and think, well, I'm going to be the hero here. You're definitely coming into sell zone right now. So if you're thinking buying right now, no, there's nothing to buy here. Okay. Going back to Euro, just for example, same thing. Sell today, buy at some point. Hasn't happened yet. Right? CAD yen. Ooh, going nicely higher. You know? Good. But the same thing. Let's see, I have more to do here. So where were we? CAD yen. Sorry, pound yen. So, you know, just think of it. Just think of it. Don't get stressed. Don't get stressed just because I say it's bullish or bearish. You have to know what your overall analysis is. That is what you are paid to do. What else are you paid to do? To pay an opinion. And to trade your setups. Is this a good setup to sell? Yeah, it is. It is a good setup. I love it. I like it. Why is my chair falling down? I feel like I'm in on the bottom, sitting on the bottom. So, cool. Aussie yen, again, bullish, going higher, go down to daily setups, going to day trading. What is happening here? Sorry. Where do you practice where to buy? So if you stand here and you say, well, this is a higher high, okay? At this point, you're thinking, well, I should buy it here. When do you think that? You are looking at the market at this candle, thinking that's a good buy. Okay, I'm gonna do the same the next day. I'm gonna look at the market around here, and then when I look at the market here, I am going to be buy here. It didn't happen. Okay, then we go on Monday. Is it going higher? Then you're thinking buying here Monday as you continue higher. You know, difficult. That's what it is. Difficult. As long as you have higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, that is what you're thinking. Yeah, sorry, mate. Sorry, mate. I have also been telling people not to trade USD CAD, but I can't make you not do it. Same thing with USD CAD. Oops, I was wrong thing to take away, actually. As paper points, this one. So on Monday, daily setups. Today didn't work. Monday, Tuesday, it will come back down to either more daily or weekly on Monday, and we shall see which one it's going to be. But right now, it's racing higher. Euro yen is when it turned around, higher high, buy, higher high, buy, higher high. Maybe if it makes a higher high, then buy again if you're a buyer. If you're a seller, you're thinking, well, don't care about that. I want a lower low, break low, sell that thing. Xavier, boom. Happy for you. Euro, pound. Is it a difficult thing to trade? Yes, it is a difficult thing to trade. That's why I don't trade it. But it's in the same boat, isn't it? It's turned around. Buy, 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 buy. That's what it is on daily, as a day trader. If you're a swing trader and you're thinking, well, that should be the peak, and you're selling it. So if you're a seller, you're like, well, this is okay. I can wait one more day. New low, pull back, boom. Ari Finn asks for USD Mexican. Not that I trade that too much, so I can't really tell you how it really is supposed to do it. But I can look at it to see if I have any kind of meaningful comments there. Okay, it peaked, comes lower, technically falls. Okay, now you're looking for sells. After it broke here, this is the end of the bullish trend. Now you can look for sells, okay? Look for sells, okay? Look for sells, okay. That's kind of what you need to do. If you are a bull on USD Mexican, run away. If you're a bear, you have the chance. USD yen, again, just in the middle of the range. Nothing to see, nothing to do. I'll just say, hoo-hoo. US 30 is crashing. Who says that? Anirud Singh. You know what, bro? You almost got yourself a ban. You almost got yourself a ban. That is very, 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 very naughty words to use in my stream, and I'm gonna tell you why. This is not a crash. This is just a fall. Okay? If you're wondering how a crash is 50% of the value. So let me quantify how much the fall has been right now. The fall of US 30 right now has been 0.84%. That does not sound like 50% fall or 70% fall. So please don't ever use crash in my stream ever again, because it's not correct information. Always speak correctly. Always give true information. So, I don't like it. Why? Because it gives you emotional input that this is going to fall hard. It's not falling hard. It's not even a big candle. It's not even the same as this candle here. This candle. It's not even the same as these candles. It's not even half of it. It's not even half of what the candle made it go higher even. Yeah, and so what? If it's falling, what does that mean? It's a pullback, bro. It's a bearish trend. Shouldn't it fall then? Did you get crushed because of that? Can't be that. It came up to resistance. It's making a mark. Coming a bit lower again. Okay, and then what? If it falls back down again, you're thinking, yay, I can buy it again. Fantastic. It's an opportunity. Yeah. Can you show us what a crash is? I'm going to show you what a what a crash is. So, I'm going to go back to S&P 500 in March 2020, and I'm going to tell you in one single candle we fell 4%. We even fell 7% in one day. The market, how do you know the market is crashing? Is when the SEC, the Security Commission in America, closes trading. That was actually wrong. Trading. That is a crash. Closes trading. That is the market crashing. Can you ask the SEC if they have closed trading for today? Come back. I will be very surprised. Yes, you used the wrong words. It triggered me because we need to learn as traders to speak correctly. If you go to say if you go to your teacher and you call her a pig, is he gonna be happy? Well, you can't just say to your mama or to your head teacher like, well, I used the wrong words. Right? So, I know, I understand. You're not bad. It's okay. I understand. But use correct information. Use correct words. Don't call something that's not it is. And if it did crash, I will be sad too, because I have buys on S&P 500, Nasdaq on US 30. So if it did crash, I will be very sad, man. Okay? Cool. We all good? And if you're gonna come to me and say, well, Ivan, please be kind to me or something like that because I used the wrong words. Well, I'm going to say one thing to you. Okay? I'm going to say one thing. If you tell a new trader that the market is crashing, he is going to be obliged to sell the living life out of that market. He's going to take up loans. He's going to add his all of his trades to that market, and he's going to pray that it's going to go in this direction because he's desperate. Okay? Just, yeah. I don't want that situation in my stream. Okay? Hi, everybody. Okay? So, we can take a poll. Because, so okay. Was I too harsh? Was I malicious? Euro New Zealand, in my eyes, has potential to fall more until it breaks 162. It has a bearish outlook. Is it Singh who said that as well, that it's crashed? Yeah, okay. Mr. Singh, you say gold also coming down by a significant amount in the current 4-hour candle. Fantastic. That's specific, correct. I applaud you. I love that language. By a significant amount. Fantastic use of words. I love that. That is how I would like it to be. It is specific, it's objective, and it's correct. Because gold has fallen quite significantly in the last 4-hour candle. Correct. I can agree to that. It's also quite significant as to the other 4-hour candles in the area, which is around a bit more fall than 1%. It's even one of the bigger candles in the past couple 2 days. Correct. So that would maybe you will look into selling gold then. Okay. Correct. Would you say US30 is good for a pullback? Yeah, that's how I looked at it. Jax, as I said, I've been triggered before. Holy guacamole. I don't know, did somebody come in and say, well, somebody said that I was an idiot. I was an idiot. I wasn't an idiot. I was, I didn't know what I was doing. I think that was the correct words. I've also been told to stop talking about my coffee, which was a story about me forgetting that I made coffee, which just explained how exhausted I was, but apparently that was too much. And that's kind of why I should end the stream, kind of thing. But anyways, the other side to it is, however, I've been a bit angry. Not angry. I have been a bit decisive before. Decisive is kind of the word I would use, or realistic. I think it was someone who said, I think somebody said buy gold and gold was falling hard or something like that. I think that was the case. I got triggered like a million. But yeah. Ivan, how is the current weather in the current year right now? It's hot. It's sweaty. It's hot. That's what it is. Gia says something will go up, but I'm scared. I don't know what you're talking about, Gia. You have to tell me which asset you're talking about. Market is significantly pulling back. Yeah. Raphael! Look gold support on high time frame. Yeah. It is support, but it's... Eivindfx says I have no humor today. Okay. Should we just put on the stream then? I have no humor. That's humorous for me though. Yeah. KXLXS goal stopped him out. Murad Ama asks, am I going to stream this weekend? I'm just wondering. Yeah, I'm planning to, but tomorrow, which is quite certain, Quite certain tomorrow at whatever the time is for you, whatever fits your time zone. I'm going to go through mostly those who lose trades more than anything else, losing account. Those who want their trading statements going through. Last weekend it was 22 people showing up. Only positive things was said. They learned a lot. So it's 1 hour at around 3 p.m. Oslo time, 5 p.m. Nairobi time, or whatever other times you are closest to. 4 p.m. South Africa. It will be for 1 hour, and if you want me to go through your trading statement anonymously, I will not tell who it is. I'm not going to tell you it's going to be a man or woman or whatever it is. I'm just going to go through it, and I'm not going to show the actual trading statement on screen. At least I'm trying not to. I will pull up the trade on my charts to show you where they have entered, where they put your stop loss, where they have, and maybe if I'm able to also in pips show how much they lost, and also in terms of percentage of the account they lost. So it's going to be, so anyone can join to see, but whatever is being said in that meeting is not going to leave that meeting. It's going to be, I will kindly ask you for to keep whatever happens in that meeting. Nothing bad happens in the meeting, but I don't want anyone to experience being bullied, laughed at, mocked because they took a trade, and be like, ha, look at that person. I will never allow that. Then you'll be banned from my group. So I mean it. I will ban you if you make fun of people who is losing and they're trying to come to me to get help. What time is this meeting happening? It literally said on the screen, bro. It literally said on the screen. If you don't know how to find time, you ask when go. Let's say 5 p.m. Nairobi, and then the Google search will tell you wherever you are. That is the time. Or 3 p.m. Oslo time, for that matter. Or, yeah, also 3 p.m. Oslo time. Or 2 p.m. UK time. Or 5 p.m. Also, it's the same thing. It's just different time zones I'm mentioning right now. No matter whether you're rich, poor, ugly, handsome, smart, stupid, playful, boring, at the end of the day, it's night. Alright. A cold Tusker beer would probably help with the weather. Yeah. Yeah, I need some water actually right now. So, can you say yes in chat if you're coming tomorrow? Sorry, yeah, and also if you're going to help, if you're going to participate, if you want your trading statement, please send them now. I can show you how to do it on MT4, by the way. Well, I'm just going to find that one, and then that one, and then yeah, cool. So you go to your trading statement on your yeah, I'm allowed to show that. Yeah, on your broker. Go to your trading statement, right click, save as detailed report, and send that report to me. Save as detailed report and send that to me. Alright? That is what you're going to do. What is the name of your Discord channel? My Discord channel is absolutely for free. And the link is in the description, by the way. So, I am going to take a time out of my day tomorrow to help you guys. Or more than the hour, because I have to prepare as well. And nobody is paying me for it. Nobody's paying me for it. So, you're not going to pay anything. I'm not going to pay anything. I'm only going to pay with my time, because I'm here to help you. To show you that I'm here to help. Because people last week was losing a lot of accounts, and I got scared because I don't want that to happen. I care for you, family. This is me being nice to you. This is not a serious. This is the second Saturday in a row. It might never happen again. This might be the last one. This might be part of a bigger movement. Who knows? Who cares? Who will know? The only thing I do know, I will record it. I will ask for permission to record, and nobody's going to see the recording except for that person if they request so of that part I was going through their trading statement, because they want to see that, or they couldn't attend. Cool. Have a good day. See you tomorrow. Boom. I love you, people. Please give this a like and give us a subscription if you want to have free help.